This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
What's up, everybody? This is Luke Patrick with the iPhoneAppReview.com. We're slinging out yet another video review today, and the app we're looking at today is called iSecret. It's on my springboard ready to go, and this is available for 99 cents in the App Store if you are so inclined. And after this review, we hope you will be so inclined. I'm going to go ahead and show you my passcode. 2010, nothing big or special there. But the idea here is we've looked at a lot of these kind of apps lately, and iSecret is definitely within the same category. It's a, I'm calling them Vault app as kind of, the category that I've created for these things. It's basically the idea that you have an application where you put in a passcode on the front end, and then once you're inside the application, you can store and save and do, a number of other things under a secure guise. And iSecret's particular focus is pictures and videos. So I've created this test folder, for instance, that has one of my photos, my girlfriend's feet, and not in a weird way, I promise. And then one of our, just videos. And these can be viewed at any time, and then they play and they look crisp and nice. And when you have more of these, you can slide through them at any point in time. Adding new photos is extremely simple. Just hit the plus. You can add them from the photo library, the camera. You can even paste from clipboard if you'd like, or you can drag and drop them more or less in a file management kind of way from another folder. I'm going to go ahead and add just something else from the photo library very quickly just to show you how this works. Let's go with the lampshade. And there you go. So like I said, you have this, and then you can just slide through exactly like the photo gallery works. And you can even add notes or export, do what you want with these, email them, save back to camera roll, copy to pasteboard, etc., etc. So again, just a basic image viewer on the inside. But the idea here is that every time that you, click on the application, you're required to put in the passcode. So obviously this lends itself to some more, a variety of photographs and videos, we'll say, and we'll leave it at that. So if you have something that you want to store that you don't want someone else to see, or if you just happen to have a roommate that's, constantly stealing your iPhone or messing around with your stuff, then you can, in fact, lock it down. Furthermore, you can, even again lock it down by adding another folder. And of course, folder adding is as easy as adding a photo or a video. You simply come in here and type whatever you want to name the folder. This one happens to be test 2. And then we really liked these, we'll talk about more about the graphics in just a second. We really enjoyed all these icons. It makes it very easy to find something that fits with what you're going for, and we really did enjoy that. Let's go with the surfboard. Relive our island days. And there you go. So you've created a new folder, and you can do what you will with it, adding new photos, to the end of time, etc. And new videos as well. Video, I didn't show you that actually. Let me show you that very quickly. Videos are actually just as easy to add, which is something we really appreciate. Again, you can import video, you can take video directly from the video camera, or you can add them from another folder. Likewise, all very easy to do. And again, sliding through, playback was flawless. We had no problems there. In terms of graphics, we really like the overall design and layout of the application. It's obvious that there's been an emphasis on being able to see all this stuff well and use it quickly. All the sliders are large. All this tab navigational utilities, they're all very spacious and easy to manage. You also have a few system settings. You can do a crash on login if someone fails to enter the code right. It simulates a crash, thereby discouraging people from sticking around with the application. Likewise, you can reset the password if you'd like. And you can also add additional folder appearance issues if you'd like. You can change the style, transparency, etc. And basically, anything about this application that you would like to change in terms of look, you can. For instance, the background, we really like the wealth of backgrounds that are available here. Obviously, we've changed it to the island one. And I guess we chose the surfboard too, so we really are reliving our island days as of late. Oh, that one's quite nice. Reminds us of our home here in Stowe, Colorado. And you can also change the font, which is nice too. We're kind of big on fonts, so we changed it to our beloved Times New Roman. All in all, it just makes for a more pleasant experience in terms of your personal collection of files and your personalized interface. So we really enjoyed that, especially the option to show notes or sort folders via a variety of different methods, alphabetic or by date. So all in all, iSecret is a fantastic utility if you have something that you'd like to hide. Not saying that you have anything to hide, so to speak. But if you've been looking for a utility rather like this, it's a really fantastic application. It's only 99 cents in the App Store. At that price, it's not going to break the bank, and it's really quite a value. So with that in mind, iSecret is going to get a 4 out of 5 star rating from us here at the iPhoneAppReview.com. We also really enjoyed the customization. We loved the backgrounds, the icons available for the different folders and categories is great. And all in all, it's just extremely simplistic to use with the tab navigation on the bottom and these list style navigational utilities. So all in all, iSecret does get a 4 out of 5 star rating from us, as well as our recommendation if you're in need of this kind of application. And at this point, that's all we have to say about it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out. But before I do, I want to encourage you guys to look at all the other videos that are on our YouTube channel. If you want to hear my voice and see some awesome apps, this is the place to go. That's all I have to say. So at this point, we'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.